Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we look at the measures in the statistics. So to begin with, let's look at the measures of the location or the central tendency. The measure of the location or the central tendency. So what do you mean? How do you define this? These measures. So these measures, they summarize the data by defining them. They summarize the data, and this is by defining the central or the medium. So they define the center or the middle, and an entire distribution can be characterized by these measures. So entire distribution, if you see, it is characterized by this, and which represent all the observation, and it represents all observations. So what is the example of this? Examples will be the mean, median, as well as the mode. Next, we will look at the measure of dispersion. So the measure of the dispersion or the variability or the spread. So what does the dispersion, variability, or the spread indicate? So they are the measures which help in determining the extent. So determine the extent to which data is stretched or squeezed, to which the data is stretched or squeezed. So what are the examples of this? The examples include it includes the range, interquartile range. So it is a range, interquartile range. Then is the variance as well as the standard deviation. So there is the range, interquartile range, then variable as well as the variance and standard deviation. Next, let's look at the measure of position. So in terms of measure of position, these measures give the position of specific data. So it gives a position of specific data, and this is in relation to the other data in a set. This is in relation to other data in the set. So what are the examples of the measures of position? So here the examples, it includes, there is a percentiles, then it can also include the quartiles, the centiles, as well as the Z-score.